Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the center stage feature on iPhone camera in 2026. Now, if your front camera keeps automatically zooming in, moving around or following your face while recording or on video calls, center stage is the reason. So I will show you exactly how to turn it off. So first of all, you need to open the camera application on your iPhone. So when it looks something like this, you just have to press this particular button and make sure that you first of all switch to the front facing selfie camera. Once you have done that, you need to look at the top of the screen. So as you can see, you are going to see this type of icon on the top. So it is like a small yellow icon that looks like a person inside a frame. That's basically the center stage icon. So after tapping on this particular option, you are going to see the auto zoom option available here. So if it is turned on, you just have to tap on it in order to turn it off. And after tapping on this icon once, you will be able to basically turn it off very easily. Now let's talk about turning off during the video calls or like FaceTime and Zoom. So in order to do it, you just have to simply first of all start a video call. Then simply swipe down the top right hand corner of the screen and tap on the option of Control Center. In the Control Center, look for the option of Video Effect or Camera Effect. In the menu, you are going to see the option of Center Stage. So when you tap on it, simply just turn it off. And once it is disabled, your camera will stop following your movement during the call. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.